Hello and welcome guys to our channel. I am your Kuya Matt.
Kuya nyo, Migs.
And I'm Tito Rock.
In this video, we will be giving you 10 tips on how to troubleshoot the software and discussing a few problems that accompanies with it. So let's just jump right into it. One of the most common issues in terms of software is the startup. A startup is the process of initiating the data of an application into a comprehensive interface in which it becomes capable for the user to understand and utilize. Half of the time, the startup takes longer than what is expected of it. This is due to the excessive memory by other active applications that is being occupied in your RAM, which is the term for your computer's short-term memory. To display the information of active applications in your computer, press Ctrl, Alt, Delete simultaneously, and then select the Task Manager option. Alternatively, you can also right-click on your taskbar, then select Task Manager. Nonetheless, both ways work. In the Task Manager, click on the Processes tab. In this tab, the applications are sorted in the percentage of RAM that they occupy. You can terminate a program by clicking the End Process button. However, we recommend that you conduct a little bit of research so that you do not accidentally close a program that is critical for your computer. Few software issues can derive from being intertwined with other programs of similar functions or from common problems related to its startup. To restart a software, simply open the Task Manager. Click the desired software to highlight it, then click the End Process button. Once it is removed from the Processes tab, try to open the software again. There are numerous of software problems that can occur due to the new changes from other applications. Here are a few examples. Conflict with similar software. Installing another software while already having a similar one could end up in malfunction of the specific software. For example, if you were to install another antivirus, it is likely that your current antivirus would stop functioning or would not work correctly. To prevent such conflict, uninstall the software that affects your current applications. Changes in computer settings. Recent adjustments in your computer settings might have triggered software issues in your system. Try to reverse any recent changes in your computer and then run the software again. For instance, your browser cannot connect to the internet despite having a Wi-Fi or wired connection. Most likely, this is because of a change you had made in your Windows firewall wherein it is blocked from accessing the internet. Reverting such changes will prompt the browser back to its normal state. Conflicts with newly added but incomplete hardware. Some software issues can stem from recently connected hardware with improper or incomplete configurations. If you have connected such hardware, try to disconnect it from your computer and restart the software to see if it does the job.
One of the simplest troubleshooting options you can do when you are encountering software problems is using the internet to find help. No matter what problems you may encounter, there is a chance that other people have experienced the same problem as well. So in knowing this, there is a good chance that you will be able to find a solution online. When searching for answers to the problem you are encountering, make sure to include the software program name and the version you currently have. Include the problem you have encountered and then the circumstances under which the problem occurred. If you have received a specific error message when running an application, enter the exact error message text in the search engine along with the name of the application. You can also check a software vendor's website. Most of them provide some form of product help such as frequently asked questions. Forum sites are also a good place to search for solutions to whatever issues you may encounter. Sometimes, software problems can occur because some critical application files have been removed, updated, or deleted. Another cause for files to have errors can be also due to the download of an application to be interrupted. To fix this issue and ensure that all of the necessary files for an application is complete, You uninstall the software that is encountering problems and then reinstall it. Even if you remove a program using its built-in uninstall wizard, you should also make sure to check the program files folder of your computer for any remnants of the program you have uninstalled and delete any files or folders you may find. Also, before reinstalling a program, make sure to check online if there are any updates of the program available online that you are using. The developer might have already fixed any bugs or issues you are having in the current version that you are using. Firewalls are an important line of defense that every computer should have. They protect us against hackers and other security threats, but they can also cause software conflicts. Firewalls frequently display messages asking whether it should allow a program to run or block it. There is a possibility that you may have accidentally allowed the firewall to block an application from running. Check the settings of your firewall to see if the software you are having issues with was added to the list of programs that are blocked. If you have found it, change the firewall setting to allow the program to run, and then check if you are still having issues with your software.
Software vendors may also fix bugs by issuing patches, a small software updates that address your known problems. Even if you're using the most current version of the software, there may be more recent patches available for that version. First, you go to the Start button and click the Settings button. The next, click the Update and Security button. Then, there, you can see the Check for Updates button and then click on it. So as you can see, if you are in the latest versions of Windows updates, there are no updates available for you. So you will see your system Windows system is up to date. Now let's scan for the viruses and malware. Viruses, spyware, and other forms of malicious software or malware can cause software to freeze, crash, or even quit working entirely. Click the icon tray and find your Windows security. Click on it and you will see there is a virus and protection. Click on it, then go to scan options. The scan options will tell you whether it is a quick scan, a full scan, or a custom scan. This will vary. This tree will vary for your uses. I will recommend the full scan once every year or even twice a year so that you are safe from any viruses and malwares. So, quick note, some software malfunctions can be caused by OS settings or other system problems. Windows and Mac operating systems both offer a troubleshooting environment known as Safe Mode. Safe Mode disables a non-critical functions or applications which theoretically makes it easier to isolate the problem. First, click the search button and type in msconfig. Then next, click the configuration application. Then go to the boot menu and then click Safe Boot. Then hit OK. Then next, and here is your safe mode of the computer. As the final troubleshooting step, you might defrag your computer's hard drive or SSD. Defragmenting rearranges your hardware's file structure so that the system runs more efficiently. Defragmenting will probably be the most useful if you're experiencing overall sluggishness in your computer. Because of defragmenting, it is meant to make your entire system run faster. Note that defragmenting hardware applies primarily to Windows-based computers only, so there's no defragmenting on Macs or Linux devices. Open your Explorer button and then click on this PC or any other name of your PC. Mine is this PC. The next, choose what hard drives you are going to defrag. So let's defrag the drive E, for example. Go to right click it, go to properties, then go to tools, to the tools tab, and then click the optimize. As you can see, there is all of my drives: the drive C, the drive D, E, F, G drives. Select the drive you want to defrag and then click optimize. It will analyze, then defrag those files so that it will run faster and more efficient, and wait for it to finish defragmenting, and once you're done, just close it.
So that's it for this video. We hope it has been informative to you. Don't forget to like,
Comment.
Subscribe for more tech-related videos on our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.